So let us continue our classes. In previous classes, we had already learned about the meaning of management, its definitions, and its keywords also, like process, effectiveness, or efficiency. So let us move to the characteristics of a management. So let us learn about the characteristics of a management. The first is management is a goal-oriented process. So already in written in this slide, this is it is a goal-oriented process which is undertaken to achieve already specified and desired objective means goal by proper utilization of available resources. So मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी each and every organization established for their specific goal. The goal of a different organization have their different goals. Different organization have their different goals. For example, a school can be give to a good quality of education, like our school, हमारा school देना चाह रहा है. So our school management has providing for you a online study classes. As the same way, the different companies or any other organization have their different goal, like earn maximum of profits. So the different organization, different goals, and the process according to their organizations, they will be establish the management system. And the management process is that management easily realized the goal of the organization by fostering by unitedness or in the efforts of our employees. Management is all pervasive means management is universal in nature. It is used in all type of activities, whether it is business or non-business. It is economically or non-economically. It is socially, politically, and respective of its size, nature, location, and at every level. Management is very necessary thing, because if we deduct management from this out of this, then the activities become failure. So management is necessary to conduct each and every type of activity. So hence it is management is a all pervasive or universal in nature. The management is multidimensional activities. Uh, as you see that I had underlined that work, people, and operations. So management of work, management of people, management of operations. Management of work. Every organization is established for doing some work. Without work, why we are creating the organizations? Like school provide educations, a hospital treat to patients, a factory produce the product, etc. Of this, no work completed satisfactory without the management system. As the same way, the people management, management of people. We have two kind of people, individual or a group of individual. The management has to ensure the participation of its peoples in realization of the organizational goal. Where they needed the people, they have to be placed them. And the management of operation. Also, the management need to conduct the various activities like sales department, like purchase, like accounting, finance departments. Many activities, the many operational activities has to be done by the organization. Management is needed to make sure that operations are accomplished effectively or efficiently. Management is not a process which can be performed once and for all. मैनेजमेंट कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है जो सिर्फ एक बार हुई और खत्म हो गई. बट मैनेजमेंट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस. Functioning of management like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling continuously need to be done. So these functions are smoothly working by their managers all the times, because some managers are busy once in a one managerial activities, and another one is busy with their other activities. Management is a group activity. It is a group activity since it's involving the managing and the coordinating activities of a different people, a team, to attain the desired objective. Like in an organization, आपने देखा होगा बड़े बड़े organizations में when they are achieving their goals, they have to be do the different kind of activities. Like उन्हें तरह तरह की activities अपनी करनी होती हैं, जैसे purchase, sales departments, and the marketing and finance. Different departments are doing different kind of activity, but these activities together do the work that they are achieving their goals. Mm, so that there should be needed a coordination. इसको मैं बहुत आपको एक बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझा सकती हूँ कि जब किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में ग्रुप में वर्क होता है और कोऑर्डिनेशन बना करके काम हो रहा होता है, वहां पर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और अपना गोल को अचीव कर पाते हैं. अब ये जो ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज है मोस्टली इंपॉर्टेंट होती है बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में, मोस्टली इंपॉर्टेंट होती है बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में. लेकिन जो छोटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होते हैं वहां पे एक सिंगल मैनेजर्स भी कैन मैनेज ऑल द थिंग्स. जैसे कि मैं आपको एग्जांपल बताती हूँ, हमारे यहाँ का ही एग्जांपल बताती हूँ कि हमारा जो प्लेस है वो बहुत छोटा है. यहाँ पे जो मॉल है वो सिर्फ एक मैनेजर्स के थ्रू पूरे मॉल को मैनेज कर लेते हैं. बट इन अ बिगर सिटीज, जहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी सिटीज हैं, बड़े बड़े मॉल है, वहां पे सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स विद देयर वर्क, देयर डिफरेंट मैनेजर्स, और उनके साथ में वो लोग वर्क कर रहे होते हैं. तो वहां पे उन्हें सारे मैनेजर्स के लिए, सारे मैनेजर्स सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स के लिए अलग अलग मैनेजर्स अपॉइंटेड होते हैं और वो आपस में कोऑर्डिनेट करके वर्क कर रहे होते हैं. बट दिस द ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज ओनली एप्लीकेबल द बिगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, नॉट फॉर द स्मॉलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Management is a dynamic function. It has adapted according to need, time, situation of changing environment. In order to be successful, an organization must change itself and its goal also. जैसा कि मैनेजमेंट का जो नेचर होता है वो चेंजिंग नेचर होता है. Why? Because it has a dynamic function. वो according to situations, according to environment changes, according to political changes, according to their customer desire, according to the demands, मैनेजमेंट अपने आप को चेंज कर लेता है. अब जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल दूं मैं आपको, आप गर्मी में स्वेटर तो नहीं पहनोगे, यू हैव टू बी चेंज योर fabric. As the same way, one more example with us, that McDonald's made major changes. Why? Because it survived in an Indian market, so that McDonald's changed their menu or according to the Indian taste. Management is intangible force. You know the meaning of intangible? जो चीज हमें दिखाई नहीं देती. So management is such a force that cannot be seen, but its presence can be felt. When an organization, when the organization are being realized that according to with the plan, or the employees are happy, that time we can say that management of organization is good. Otherwise, there the employees are not satisfied, the plans is disturbing, so that we can say their management is not good. So Management we cannot see but can feel according to the success of an organization.